Hello guys and welcome to Matt Speaker. This is a quick video on what to do if you get this error message up on your screen. So if like me you have an F20, F21 or an F generation BMW with this type of key, there's a very simple process to see what the issue is. The first thing I would personally do is put your key down here on the transponder. The transponder is located to the right hand side of the steering column, just below your wash wipe system. There you go, trying to focus, there. All you have to do is put the key on there and the transponder should pick up the key transponder, and basically you start the car like normal and voila. But if that doesn't work, there could be another issue. This is when I would get the second key. If your second key gets picked up by the transponder, then you know that the transponder and the other key is all good. If that doesn't work, then, well, the first thing that could be wrong is your key's battery. You might need to just change the battery in the key, which is a very simple process. I shall leave a link down below of a video I made many years ago on changing this type of key's battery. Okay? If the spare key and the original key don't work with the transponder, either both keys have a flat battery, or another issue is the transponder may have an issue. So many people tend to take this shroud off here when working in this area, and when they remove this shroud they must kind of knock the transponder out of line or disconnect it or something like that. So the first thing I would personally do is, before replacing the transponder, is to actually make sure it's all in the right place, all connected, and yeah, it's unlikely they actually go wrong. They're quite reliable, and if that doesn't work, then there's a chance that the transponder in your key is faulty. If the transponder in the key is faulty, then you need to get a new key. I believe there are companies out there which can actually recode your new key to your transponder, and it should all be okay. To be honest, it's quite a reliable system and they don't go wrong that much. I hope that quick video was of some use to some of you. I'm sure there are other people out there who can explain it better than me, but that's just a quick video that popped into my head one day. Yeah, so have a nice weekend, nice week, whatever day of the week it is, and take care and good luck with your car. See you soon. Bye.